Hey everyone, welcome back to my Dev Web App channel. Today I'll show you how to create a simple portfolio app using TanStack Router. I'll use a file-based route generation approach through Vite. Let's take a look at the design. As you can see, we have a menu with links at the top, and each link will redirect to some route. And currently I'm on home, and I can go to about, and as you can see, the content was changed. And also I can go to projects or contact and go back to about. And also I can use the history back or forward. And for the implementation, I'm going to use TanStack Router and go to docs and then quick start. And I'm going to copy this npm create TanStack Router at latest, and I'll use it for my project. And now let's go to the code and create our application. I launched my Visual Studio Code and have a folder where I store my React projects, and now I'm going to run new terminal and provide command that I copied previously, npm create TanStack Router at the latest, and I'm going to proceed with yes, and my project name will be portfolio TanStack Router. Okay, and I'm going to use Vite, and also I'm using Visual Studio Code, and I'm going to open it in Visual Studio Code after installation. Okay, dependencies were installed and my project was opened in new window in Visual Studio Code, and I can go to source files, routes, and open about. We have about and index, and also we can check route 3, and it's some auto-generated file that TanStack updates after we added root. And let's check index.html, and as you can see, we have head, and inside head we have script for Tailwind CSS. They are using Tailwind CSS and added some initial styles, and also they have div with ID app, and also script main TypeScript. And let's check what we have inside main. And inside main we have a router that was created with create router function from TanStack React router. And then we got root element using JavaScript get element by ID. It's a vanilla JavaScript function, and we retrieved the root element, and then they render router provider with a specified router. Okay, and let's check what we have inside package.json, and we have some dependencies, and as dependencies we have React router and some DevTools, and also React version 19 and React DOM. Okay, and now I'm going to open terminal and start dev server. We used Vite, and I can use command npm run dev to start my Vite project. And now I'm going to open it in the browser, and currently we have home and about. We have two routes, and let me add more routes, and I'm going to add projects. I'll just add new file, and the file will be projects, and provide TypeScript component extension. And as you can see, we have some auto-generated code, and let me change function to projects component and provide this component here. And now we can add this. Let me hide the panel, and we can add our component after about link. We have some links here, and let me provide path to my projects, And as you can see, if I specified incorrect path, I see the error, and I need to provide products, and also here. Now I'm going to save, and let's check what I have. And as you can see, we have our projects and the content that was auto-generated. And let me add one more route, and I'm going to add new file and add contact TypeScript component, and also will rename to contact component and provide the name here. And I can change some content. Hello contact form will be here. Okay, and inside my route, I can add link to contact and provide to contact, and also here contact. And let's check what I have so far. Let me refresh the page, and I have contact link, and I can check the content, and let's check other links, and as you can see, our application is working. I can go back, and can go forward using history, and everything is working. And that's all that I had for today. If you like the video, subscribe to my DevApp channel, like the video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.